Thinking about running a radio ad in Senegal? You're in the right place. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to place radio ads in Senegal, step by step, especially if it's your first time. From choosing the right station to getting your ad on air, here's everything you need to know. And if you'd rather not handle it alone, Blastily can manage the entire process for you, from planning to placement. Let's dive in. Step 1. Define your goal and audience. Start with clarity. Ask yourself, what do I want this ad to achieve? Is it to build awareness, drive event attendance, or boost store visits? Then, who exactly am I trying to reach? Young people in Dakar, farmers in Saint Louis, French or Wolof speakers. Your answers will guide every other step, from language to station to timing. Step 2. Choose the right station. Senegal has a mix of national, regional, and community radio. Here are some common options. Zik FM, urban and youth-focused, broadcasting in French and Wolof. Sud FM, one of Senegal's oldest private stations. WADR, West Africa Democracy Radio, with bilingual reach. Community stations, for hyperlocal targeting in rural areas. Zamsadine or Zasada, focused on religious or Islamic content. Your station should match your audience's lifestyle and language. Need help picking one? Blastily can help you select the perfect station based on your audience and goals. Step 3. Choose your ad format. There are 4 basic types of radio ads. A pre-recorded ad, usually 30 or 60 seconds. A live read, the presenter reads your message during a show. A sponsorship, like being the named sponsor of a show or segment. A contest or promo, often more engaging, but needs a bigger budget. If you're new to this, start with a 30-second pre-recorded ad. It's simple, clear, and affordable. Step 4. Pick the right time slot. Timing affects how many people hear your ad. Here's a quick breakdown. 6 to 9 a.m. morning rush hour. Great reach. 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. home and office listeners. 1 to 4 p.m. slower hours, but more affordable. 5 to 8 p.m. evening commute. Also high reach. Late night, smaller but loyal audience. For visibility, morning and evening are your best bets. Step 5. Write and record your ad. This is where your message comes to life. Make it short, ideally 30 seconds. Use clear language, local expressions, and end with a strong call to action. Something like, visit us today at Kermassa, or call 77 123 4567 now. Need professional help? Blastily can script and record your ad in French, Wolof, or Pula, with voiceovers and sound effects. Step 6. Book your airtime. Share your audio and schedule. Choose the days and times. Confirm payment and airing schedule. Or let Blastily handle the booking for you, while you focus on running your business. Step 7. Track and improve. Once your ad goes live, pay attention to the results. Did your store get more calls or foot traffic? Are people using the promo code? Are website visits increasing? This is how you know what works, and what to change next time. Pro tip: pair your radio ad with a podcast mention, or social media campaign, for even better results. Podcasts are growing fast in Senegal, and they offer deeper engagement. Blastily can help you combine both radio and podcast campaigns seamlessly. Recap. Let's recap what you've learned. Define your ad goal and target audience. Pick the right station for your message. Choose the best ad format. Schedule your ads for high-impact times. Record a clear, compelling message. Book your airtime. Track results and optimize your campaign. That's it. And if you'd rather not stress over all these steps, let Blastily handle it for you. Visit blastolid.com to get started with your Senegal radio or podcast campaign today. Thanks for listening, and remember, your audience is out there. It's time to be heard.